Holes were laid out.
Is that kind of where you want that hole, or?
They were then dug to a
Sounds
depth deeper than 2 feet for each post, 8 foot or longer. Posts that were taller than 8 foot, like gate posts, were put in 3 feet. After placing the posts in the hole on 6 inches of gravel, firm concrete was added. They were squared to their location and prepared for final finishing touches. I'm just trying to do something small that's posts that were going to be 4 foot into the ground were dug in at least 4 feet above ground, were dug in at least 2 feet into the ground as well. Gravel was placed at the bottom of them, and concrete was prepared. Quickcrete was used to fill the holes.